Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Checking in on SPY, IWM, and QQQ. So the SPY bulls able to maintain that middle Bollinger Band yet again. This is now the third time essentially in the past 4 days. Watch these exponential moving averages. The potential for a bearish TCG cross to follow through for the first time in the last 3 months is possible here. We've had brief periods of consolidation where these lines have almost crossed and then they don't. If we lose this daily middle Bollinger Band, we're going to see them cross. I'm looking at key support of 256.36 for the bulls to maintain higher lows. We did hold that level today by about 16 cents. So it's all about the middle Bollinger Band, 256.36, and if we lose those levels, bearish TCG cross for the first time in 3 months is coming. The weekly chart is beginning to top out a little bit, healthy consolidation. This weekly chart could pull all the way back, another $8 and still be just fine for the bulls. So it's really just the daily chart giving the first signs of potential consolidation, but as long as we have these lower wicks showing bulls buying the dip, they will remain in control. IWM struggling at the exponential daily resistance. So the bulls in SPY are holding it as support, and we just recently lost it, but we've been holding it as support. And here on IWM, it is acting as resistance. 5 days in a row rejecting here. Lower highs on the daily 6 days in a row. If the bulls can't break the daily lower high pattern, the bulls aren't going anywhere. So we've got this resistance now. The high of today is 146.49. It's an inside bar on the daily, so support is 145.59. And we'll see which breaks first tomorrow. With the bear break, we're looking at 145.28. And with the bull break, each resistance level is just going to be the previous day and that high of the day standing out as resistance. So exponential resistance driving the price down, keeping the bears in control. Daily or the weekly chart, still very healthy consolidation. Middle Bollinger Band support catching up. We could easily pull back to that level and still be just fine. It's no longer a bull flag, but there's still no red flags in the longer term trend. Just watching the exponential moving averages for the potential cross here as well on the weekly. Last time that did occur, we pulled back for a month. We've already been consolidating for a month. So watching close, the bearish MACD cross close as well. Bulls need to show up to fend that off. QQQ just barely clinging on to these exponential supports on the daily. What we essentially have is our high, the all-time high, low of the pullback, lower high, higher low. It's a tightening range. We're on the verge of a bearish MACD cross and a bearish TCG cross. The range right now to be watching is 152.57 support and 154.07 resistance. And the bulls need a break of that level to be looking at the all-time high. And if we get a bear break of 152.57, I'm looking down at 152.11 and 151.84 after that. Daily middle Bollinger Band will be in play if we do see a bear break. And on the weekly time frame for QQQ, after an extremely strong 6-week bull move, a little bit of an indecision candlestick last week, currently a tightening range this week with an inside bar still holding up, but we're watching for the potential of consolidation on these markets that would be healthy and normal. That hasn't happened in quite some time. We're getting signals that we might be closing in on that consolidation, so watching very close. I appreciate you watching. We'll check back in tomorrow and see if we have any further signs. Watch that middle Bollinger Band on SPY. See you then.